I just bought a new car. We've all said it. We've all felt that rush. But here's what they don't tell you. That shiny new or even used car in your driveway, it's not an asset. It's one of the biggest financial traps most Australians will ever fall into. Today, I'm going to show you the real cost, and I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to prove it to you line by line in Excel. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how much wealth you're burning every time you sign that loan agreement. Let's go. Why cars are a financial trap. We're told cars equal freedom, cars equal success, but the marketing machine has done its job so well that we've completely ignored the math. Most people only think about the sticker price, but the true cost of a car isn't what you pay on day one. It's what you pay over years of loan interest, insurance, rego, fuel, servicing, and repairs, minus whatever scrap value is left at the end. And here's the kicker. While your money is tied up in a depreciating hunk of metal, it's not working for you in the market. That's the opportunity cost, and it's often bigger than the car itself. The true cost of a car in Australia. Let's build this out. I'm going to use a very realistic Australian example. We'll say you buy a used car for $35,000 drive away. You finance the whole amount because, let's be honest, most people don't have that cash sitting around. Here are the numbers we'll use. Loan, $35,000. Interest rate, 8%, typical for a used car loan. Term, 5 years. Insurance, $1,200 a year. Rego and CTP, $900 a year. Servicing, $800 a year. Fuel, $2,000 a year. That's about 15,000 kilometers. Maintenance and repairs, $500 a year for tires, unexpected fixes. Years owned, 5 years. Resale value after 5 years, $12,000, which is actually optimistic. These are conservative numbers. If you drive more or if something major breaks, it gets worse. The opportunity cost. Now, here's where the trap really snaps shut. That's $710 a month you're paying on your car loan. What if instead of paying the bank, you invested that money? The average long-term return on the share market is around 7% after inflation. If you invested that $710 a month for 5 years, you'd have over $50,000 sitting in an investment account. But instead, you have a car worth $12,000. That difference? That's the opportunity cost. That's the wealth you're sacrificing. Real-life example. Let's run the numbers. First, your total loan repayments over 5 years are $42,580. Add insurance, $6,000. Rego and CTP, $4,500. Servicing, $4,000. Fuel, $10,000. Maintenance, $2,500. Your gross ownership cost is $69,580. Now, take away the $12,000 resale value. Your net cost over 5 years is $57,580. That means you've spent $57,580 in after-tax dollars just to own and run this car. But remember, you also paid $710 a month that could have been invested. If you'd invested that instead, you'd have $50,808 in the market. So your real wealth loss is $57,580 in cash spent, plus $50,808 in missed investment growth, over $108,000 gone, and all you have to show for it is a 5-year-old car worth $12,000. Why we fall for the car trap. So why do we keep doing this? 1. Monthly payment blindness. We only look at the affordable weekly or monthly repayment. We never calculate the total cost. 2. Social pressure. Your mate just got a new SUV, your neighbor has a dual-cab ute, you feel like you need to keep up. 3. Confusing reliable with new. We convince ourselves we need a new car for safety or reliability, but you can get a reliable, safe used car for under $15,000. 4. The dealership game. They don't sell you a car, they sell you a monthly payment. They hide the interest rate, extend the loan term, and add on extras you don't need.
Strategies to escape the car trap. So, how do you break free? Here are 5 strategies. 1. Buy with cash. If you can't pay cash, you can't afford it, period. Save up and buy a reliable used car for under $10,000 to $15,000. 2. Use the 23-8 rule. If you absolutely must finance, put 20% down, finance for no more than 3 years, and keep payments under 8% of your gross income. 3. Calculate total cost before you buy. Use the Excel sheet I've shown you. Plug in the real numbers. See the damage before you sign. 4. Sell the car and downgrade. If you're trapped in a loan, consider selling, paying off the debt, and buying a cheaper car with cash. The short-term pain is worth the long-term freedom. 5. Invest the difference. Once you free up that monthly payment, set up an automatic transfer into an ETF like VAS or IOZ. Watch your wealth grow instead of watching your car depreciate. Mindset shift. Here's the mindset shift I want you to take away today. A car is not an investment, it's a tool. Its job is to get you from A to B safely and reliably. That's it. Every dollar you save on a car is a dollar that can go towards actual wealth building, your home deposit, your super, your investments, your freedom. The people who retire early, the people who have financial freedom, they didn't get there by driving a new car every few years. They got there by understanding the math. So I want you to open up Excel or Google Sheets and run your own numbers. Download the template I've linked below. See for yourself what your car is really costing you. And then ask yourself, is that cost worth it? Or could that money be working for you instead? If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Australian finance deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.